Well, hi friends of Nice Kitchen.
Hola, hola, hola.
How are you today? We're
Hey guys, welcome back.
good. Welcome back, eh? So, honey, tell us.
We cannot take too much time. Last mukbang was too long, yeah, the cooking.
Yeah.
We have here half kilo of catfish.
I'll do it.
I've already soaked it in the milk for a couple of hours. Now we're gonna marinate this. So let's do everything here fast, quick.
Yeah.
I'm using all-purpose flour.
Flour.
Brush no.
Flour.
And I'm gonna mix it with garlic powder.
Garlic powder, guys.
Onion powder.
Onion powder, guys.
Not coming out or coming? Sorry. Oof. Very strong. Okay. Onion powder. Pepper.
Pepper, guys. Ground pepper.
And pass me the chili, please.
Which one? This
Over
one?
here.
So convenient in this new place, you know?
Some salt.
Salt is important, guys.
Namak. And chili powder.
And everything is aga-aga, eh?
Aga-aga.
Per your taste, aga-aga. Don't leave
Okay,
me.
so this is today's menu. We're gonna just deep fry the catfish.
Deep fry.
Better than this.
Contraption.
Do I use eggs or not? No need lah, yeah?
I don't know if it's gonna stick for it or not.
Yeah, it will.
Then you don't need to use eggs.
Or maybe we'll use egg. I don't know.
What do you
Let's
think?
see.
Should we
And
use
after
eggs?
this, we have a Thai
Salad.
style cucumber spicy salad. And that's it.
Yeah, pretty much, that's it.
Maybe I should use an egg, yeah?
Use an egg. And then an egg.
So I'll use one egg. Dip the fish in the egg and then do the flour and then we'll deep fry it. That's it, guys.
Yeah.
Let's start cooking.
Pretty much.
Okay, the oil is hot. Let's add our oh gosh, fish. We're gonna fry the fish until they are like brown and crispy. And this is our menu for today. Later, when I make the salad, I'll just show you the recipe how I did it. Okay, our fish is ready. This is enough. It looks beautiful. There you go. I fried this for about maybe 30 minutes, I guess. Yeah, something like 30 minutes. There you go. Okay, let's make Thai salad. Thai style spicy cucumber salad. So I'm using here very spicy Thai chili, garlic, and mash it up. Yeah, I don't have any other, so I'm just gonna use 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. I have here some fried small shrimp and mash this up. We're gonna add some lime. This is from our lime tree. We can add the lime too. Just squeeze it and then just add for flavor. And then some cherries. I wish that I have the bigger mortar glass of the Thai one. The one that Thai people has. Now, I have here some shrimp sauce or fish sauce. I don't know yet. I think it's shrimp. A little bit of that. And some fish sauce. I'm so messy today. Mash it slowly. Now let's add the cucumbers. It's gonna be too big, too small. What to do? My mortar is too small. Anyway, I'm just gonna try to mix everything, and then when it's done I'll show you. Okay, so messy, but I'm done with the salad, guys. We'll see how it tastes like. There you go, let's eat.
And here it is, guys.
All done.
All done. All the goodies that we have today.
My back hurts.
I really love it. I'll massage you later. Okay, guys. So you saw a fish. Fish is done. Cannot see it very well because it's brown and dark.
The fish is the only protein we have.
Well, you have this. This is patlıcan, which is eggplant.
Eggplant.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
And Thai salad. Salad.
And dal.
Dal and rice. Woo!
Let's eat. I'm so hungry.
Me too.
I have your ghost pepper.
Why? Let me have some. Give me half. You don't want to eat all.
Yeah.
Trust
We'll
me.
share.
Trust me. Anywho, this is the piece that
The big one is yours.
The one that this is for you.
You see, as soon as we start mukbang, it starts itchy again.
Yeah.
What can I say, guys? What can I do?
California, eh?
Because of my chronic allergies. Just itch all the time. Nothing I can do. Been to so many doctors.
Oh, that means that only we haven't been to the right one. Yeah.
Or maybe I'm allergic to Serbia.
Yeah.
You want dal or not?
Yes, a little bit of dal.
You have to lift up your...
Always I'm gonna lift up the plate. Thank you, baby.
There you go. Salad.
I'll take some salad.
I'll take some pumpkin. Over here, so far I haven't found like pumpkin that is sticky.
There is, but
You
we
know,
just don't
like
know.
the sticky ones back home that we have.
Take some salad.
Now, don't block your plate, honey. Someone was like so upset.
Who is the plane go upset?
Your half plate is always half block.
It's
You
okay.
eat like you don't enjoy your food. That's why your view is going down like
It's
that.
okay
you know?
because, you know, if you're sitting in a restaurant, it's not really polite to look at somebody's plate. So,
Okay, guys.
that's an Instagram plate.
There you go.
Mm,
I'm not taking picture though. Bon appetit! Is it good? Is it good or not?
This is good. This is patlıcan eggplant.
I'm not sure about the fish. He don't like fish, so...
Well, I'm going around, don't worry.
I love dal. What can I say?
Dal. Oh yeah.
How are you?
Baby, this is good. Pumpkin is good. Now, let's go for the fish.
Only the middle one has bones. Okay, remember that, baby.
Yeah. You know, I presume people are looking at me and like, what is wrong with you?
Wait, honey, please give me my phone. I have to shout out something.
Huh? Where is your phone?
Sorry, guys. It's on the machine.
I'll be back in a sec.
I'll just keep eating.
No, we'll continue when I come.
I'm really hungry today.
Here.
Thank you.
Okay. And I'm back. So, what were you saying, baby?
Let me shout out first, baby. Okay, so we know you Jimo, very old subscribers. Happy birthday on January 14th.
Hey, happy birthday!
In Hindi, you say Janamdin Mubarak ho.
Janamdin Mubarak ho.
The next one is Chandni CH Marak. My second comment. Shout out for my husband's name Sagar. Love from Meghalaya. So Sagar, shout out for you from your wife, I guess.
Love is in the air.
And this is Ayush. Ayush got a new job.
Yeah?
Yeah. So congratulations, Ayush. And
Good
this
job.
one is long time ago. Chodyan Budia. He said happy birthday to my friends Punam. 5 days, a long time ago. We didn't see it. So sorry. Happy birthday, Punam. Belated happy birthday if you're still watching. There you go.
Fish is excellent.
You like it?
It's not greasy at all. I love it.
So it's a success, yeah?
It is a success. Let's celebrate. Bring out the SARMA. Oh.
We still have SARMA. He still have SARMA.
Bella is joining the party. Hi, Miss Bella. Nice to meet you.
She don't want to eat her food.
No, she's protesting. Again? That's what they say. If you have a doggy, either give him just their food or feed him with your food and don't mix. It's not gonna end well. Really good, baby. Pumpkin.
So you see guys, we don't eat only pork all the time, yeah?
Yes.
Are you doing okay?
Oh yeah. It's everything is just sticky.
You guys, today we went to the market. I saw some fish intestine
Really? What do you do with that?
to eat. How do you cook that?
Fish intestine? Well, that would be the first to know. Don't know. How do you eat it?
I'm asking them.
Answer people.
Because there's lots of YouTubers
Oh, they will know,
that
yeah?
come to know this site and they had that. I
Fish
saw it.
intestine, yeah.
And everybody was like, they say it's very good. So
Well, count me not to try that. But I presume you would love to try it. Yeah? Into the unknown, I say.
if it's good, I would love to. But I think you should have to know how to cook that.
Yeah. Well, it is going to be very tasty for you, or Bella's going to have a lovely day. Huh?
Look at the face on here.
Take a picture and send it to them to see what we are up against.
Her food is lying there. She don't like to eat.
And she's now just watching us from the other side of the table. You cannot see her, but she's over here. And she's saying, I can hear it. You guys are feasting and you are giving me that? Well, true.
It's not good for you, baby.
As soon as you start working for yourself, you can choose what you eat. They grow up so fast.
Eat the fish, you said it's good.
I'm eating slowly, baby.
I'll have another one.
I don't want to be the guy who tries and then in the middle I get disappointed and then I'm slowly enjoying the fish.
Tinik?
I don't like those things. Alright, good. Let's go.
The bone is in the middle, remember?
Yeah.
Don't get choked, yeah?
Yeah. How can I get choked? I'm testing this with fingers, with tongue, with... This is the one reason why I don't like fish. Because when I eat, I want to eat, not take all out and then eat again.
Not just you, people like from the western side.
Well, I mean, a lot of people love fish,
Don't
but...
like to pick bones. Oh my gosh, I was so hungry, I don't know how I ate it. Catfish, really good deep fried and
This one is really
grilled.
good. It's not... How is your part? Is it fatty?
Not bad.
Mine is completely good.
That's good.
That's really good, guys.
Just ate like an Indian.
What you ate? Like an engine?
So fast.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. What would you like?
Yum chai.
You see? I have to be careful with this.
Catfish bones are so hard, honey.
Yeah?
Comparing with other bones. Like for example the carp.
Okay, this is the bone.
If you fry them long enough, you can just chew them, you know? But this catfish bone is something different.
Definitely. Let me see. Any other bones here? Here you are.
I'm careful.
I checked if there is any bones. Well, this is fat. I'm not gonna eat that. Sorry, guys. Good job, Bella. I'm gonna eat one more of this.
Hurry, hurry!
Yeah, hurry! Mm. 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 And give me that pepper at the end. Mm.
Yum chai.
Baby, good job. You prepared. This is the maximum I can reach out towards the fish and see. Yeah. And you did a baby. You did a good job.
Thank you.
You are very welcome. Thank you. Oh, guys, that was good. Mm. Mm. The point of this exercise is to show that you can overcome everything if you love.
Sorry about the messy cooking today, guys.
Sorry about messy eating today, guys, but it's my arch enemy, the fish.
Photoshop, baby.
But yeah, I just wanted to do that. Are you enjoying? Thank you for joining us, guys. I hope you ate with us and that you saw my plate. And I hope you like what my beautiful wife made. Check out the links down below. Subscribe, like, dislike, comment, discomment, or whatever, whatever you feel like. And we are okay with everything, trust me. So, yeah, check out our Instagram and Facebook. And stay... What's that notification bell? Get that notification bell so you can see the next video coming up. And thank you very much for your attention.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody.
Have a good night.
If you like this mukbang, please like, subscribe, share.
I just said that. No, I didn't actually
Sorry.
say that. I didn't say that. See you guys.
See you in the next mukbang.
Bye.
Did you just say guy again?
See you, guy. One guy from all the 8,000 that are watching. One guy.